The Chevy Colorado's infotainment system is a touchscreen interface that handles radio, navigation, phone connectivity, and apps. If you're experiencing issues like frozen screens or lag, a reset can often resolve the problem. There are two main types of resets: a soft reset, which restarts the system without deleting your data and clears temporary memory, and a factory reset, which restores the system to its original settings but erases all user data. Choose the reset type based on the severity of the issue. Start with a soft reset before resorting to a factory reset. The latest models from 2023 to 2025 experience fewer issues due to refined hardware, while older models pre-2020 may need resets due to outdated software or faulty USB ports. For models from 2015 onwards, ensure you're using the latest Infotainment 3 Plus or MyLink system to minimize glitches. To perform a soft reset, hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until it shuts down and restarts. For a factory reset on newer models from 2022 and later, navigate through the Settings menu to General, then Factory Reset. For older models before 2019, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and down buttons along with the seek buttons while turning on the ignition. To fix a frozen screen, first try a soft reset. If that doesn't work, check for software updates via the vehicle's Wi-Fi or Chevrolet's website, where you can find downloadable patches for USB installation. If problems persist, consider that a faulty USB port could be the issue. Avoid using third-party apps during resets to maintain your warranty. Chevrolet recalled over 100,000 Colorado units from 2019-2022 in 2024 for infotainment glitches, offering free resets and updates, so consider if your vehicle is part of a known issue.